Awkward.
Yeah. I was trying to be sure today, thanks to Germ. Yeah. And, who wants to Jim to share with us? Yay! We can all have a singing party.
Let's
Yeah.
get to it.
We're real tired right now.
It's like 3:17 in the morning.
Yeah.
We have no lives.
No. I'm never gonna sleep tonight, dude. I'm never gonna sleep. Alright. I can do this. Ready? If I could turn back time, if I could find a way, I'd take back those words that hurt you, and you'd stay. I don't know why I did the things I did. I don't know why I said the things I said.
Words are like weapons, they do
Sometimes I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to see you go. I know I made you cry,
but
baby, if I could turn back time, if I could find a way, I'd take back those words that hurt you, and you'd stay. If I could reach the stars, I'd give them all to you. Then you'd love me like you used to do. If I could turn back time. My world was shattered, I was torn apart. Wait, we gotta change up the song. What song are we feeling? Could turn back time. Out of these three. Alright. People are gonna think we're high.
We're really not, though. We're just really tired.
Yeah. I didn't really get a lot of sleep last night.
I didn't either.
No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I bit my cheek. Ow. I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. What am I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for you? Well, I can't do that. There's no turning back. I need time to move on. I need love to feel strong. 'Cause I've got time to think it through. And maybe I'm too good for you. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough, no. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough, no. Well, I know that I'll get through this. Oh man, it's almost my part that I had earlier.
And I know that. We're making asses out of ourselves.
Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough, no. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough, no. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough, no. Do you believe in life after love? That probably sounds really bad.
It's okay, I suck at singing.
I was talking about when I attacked the camera thing. Webcam, yeah, that.
Oh. Meh.
So, anyways, Cher is like my idol.
Mine too.
I love her.
Me too.
I love Cher. She is an amazing woman.
She is.
She really
Why
is.
are there big red... Oh.
Oh,
It's an
ambulance! Cool!
Woo!
Anyways, yeah, Cher's just an amazing woman, and she's got such a strong and powerful voice that it's like, whoa, it blows your mind.
She's an inspiration to us all.
Wait, hold on. It blows your mind. And yeah, she's an inspiration to many, many people.
Everywhere.
Aww.
Meep.
Do I win? Do I win? Come on, I want to win this time.
What are you trying to put?
Big eyes. Because I look up to Cher. And yeah. I could never dress like her though. I really just couldn't.
But you look so much like her. You could pull it off.
I know, but I just can't do it because I'm like. Oh, shoot.
Another
ambulance. Okay, well, this video has gone on long enough. Definitely long enough. Love you, Cher. And, have fun to everyone out there. Okay, peace. Do not own anything.